Hello everybody at home. Welcome to the English class. Today is Friday, May 15. And today we have a beautiful surprise for you. As you notice, you must be thinking, what is Miss Matos dressing in that way? We're going to cook. You're right, of course. Today we have a delicious recipe about chicken soup. Right? We are going to go to the ingredients and perform the recipe. Come on, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, Dino will help me with the list of the ingredients, right? To make the chicken soup, you need some chicken, 3 carrots, an onion, 3 potatoes, some rice, some salt, and 3 liters of water, right? And here we have, of course, the ingredients. The potatoes, 3, remember, the carrots, the onion, some rice, some chicken, some salt, and 3 liters of water, right? The first thing we are going to do, I forgot to ask for a pot. Pot is very important, right? We are going to open and we are going to add the water. First of all, you add the water into the pot, taking care of your eyes. Okay? Remember, 3 liters of water. You cover the pot and you turn on the soup with your mommy's help. Right? After that, we are going to wash the vegetables. Wash the vegetables. Bring the chicken. Bring the rice and the onion. Come here, we are going to start washing the vegetables. First, the carrots, right? We have to follow the recipe. 3 carrots. Take some soap to start washing the carrots. Okay, very good. Now, the potatoes. Excellent. You can help your mommy wash the vegetables. Now the rice, without soap, just water. And we are to take off the water. Once again. And you split the water. Very good. We almost finished. And we put the rice here in the plate. Then the onion. Okay, we finished. After that, filling this bowl of water in order to disinfect our vegetables, right? We already washed, but now we are going to disinfect. Okay, it's enough. We have to wait a little bit of time here to disinfect our vegetables. Then we are going to wash the chicken. Without feathers, remember. Don't forget to peel the vegetables. Take out your carrots and start peeling your vegetables. You can help at home to your mommy. After that, we are going to chop the carrots. Same with the potato. You have to peel it. Well, we are going to continue with the carrots. We are going to chop, right? Taking care of your fingers. You can chop the carrot as well as you want. Maybe like this, right? In circles. Circle slices. Or like sticks, right? In this way. As well as you want. My favorite shape are round. Then we go with the potato. In halves, then in quarters. In both sides of the onion, and we cut it in quarters, the same. Okay, we put on in the wash dishes. Then we have a beautiful surprise for you. We have a beautiful song about the chicken soup. We will listen the song and we are going to start performing the actions in order to start cooking the chicken soup. Are you ready at home? Here we go with the song.
Track 110. Chant. Making chicken soup.
Open the pot.
In the pot, in the pot, put the chicken in the pot. Stir it up till it's nice and hot. The chicken's in the pot. I like my soup a lot.
Carrot.
In the pot, put the carrot in the pot. Stir it up till it's nice and hot. The carrot's in the pot. I like my soup a lot. In the pot, put the onion in the pot. Stir it up till it's nice and hot. The onion's in the pot. I like my soup a lot. In the pot, put the potato in the pot. Stir it up till it's nice and hot. The potato's in the pot. I like my soup a lot.
What is
In the pot, put the rice in the pot. Stir it up till it's nice and hot. The rice is in the pot. I like my soup a lot. The soup is in the pot. The soup is in the pot. Eat it up while it's nice and hot. We like our soup a lot.
going
Track
to cover.
110.
And we will cover the pot. Well, let's check if we add all the ingredients. Do you remember the procedure? Yes? Some chicken? Yes. 3 carrots? Yes. 1 onion? Yes. 3 potatoes? Yes. Some rice? Of course. Some salt? Yes, of course. And the water. Well, we have to spend lots of time boiling while the pot is boiling, right? So we will come back while the pot is boiling, and we are going to go our student book. There we will find the page number 124. And here we have Dino, the same in the kitchen, like Miss Matus. We are preparing a recipe. What do you think? Look, the ingredients: chicken, onion, carrots, potatoes, some rice. Yes, the same, chicken soup. Well, look at the first picture. There we have Dino with the chicken, right? We pay attention around the shape of the chicken. Most of the colors are brown. So in this activity, you have to use colors and your book, right? Come on, bring your pencil case and start enjoying this activity. Take your brown color and start coloring the chicken. Put the chicken in the pot. Right? Well, the next picture is the carrot. Carrot. What color are the carrots, guys? What color? Orange, of course. So we'll take out our orange color to start coloring the carrot, right? Oh, and we have something here, something green, right? Well, the next picture, the next drawing, we find Dino with the onion, right? Most of the pardon onions are white, so you can use white, or sometimes we have or recognize something green. The same. Put the onion in the pot. Do you remember the rhythm in the song? After that, potatoes. In the pot, in the pot. Put the potatoes in the pot. Stir it up, it's nice and hot. What color are the potatoes? Of course, brown. Color, very good. The turn for rice. In the pot, in the pot. Put the rice in the pot. Stir it up, it's nice and hot. The rice is in the pot. I like my soup a lot. Wow, very good. Also, you can color the box with brown color, right? Use your brown color to color the box. Then we have Dino family here. Sister and brother enjoying the smell in the pot. They are enjoying now the chicken soup. But what about the plates? The bowls are black. Take your black color to start coloring the plates on the table, right? Okay. Well, let's check if the pot is ready. After to finish cooking, we are going to set the table. Look, I've got here a placemat, a plate, a knife, a fork, a spoon, a napkin, and a glass, right? Do you remember how to set the table? How to set in our daily routines? Yes? Well, let's start. First, the plate, right? Then the napkin. Well, you have here the spoon. After that, you put the fork over here, right? And the fork, right? Then we have here the glass. Well, let's go to our chicken soup. Come, let's start mixing. We have the chicken soup. It's delicious. It looks really, really nice. Here I've got a spoon to start tasting, right? It's delicious. So I have to bring the plate to start putting the vegetables, the carrots, the rice, very good. Okay, bon appetit. Enjoy your chicken soup. Do you see? The carrot looks really nice. Here we have the potatoes, and the rice is delicious too. Look. Enjoy your food, enjoy your chicken soup, and as the song said, the soup is in the pot. Eat it always nice and hot. We like our soup a lot, a lot. Enjoy it. Delicious. Well, for you, we have an extra activity. I already sent to your parents this printed sheet. As you can see, we have the pot, we have the vegetables, and all the ingredients in the chicken soup. So you have to color the pot as well as you want, color the carrot, color the potato, color the onion, color the rice, and then the very important ingredient is the chicken, right? Enjoy your time, enjoy your activity. You have to color. You will use scissors to cut all the ingredients and put them in the pot, right? Well, this is Miss Matus. I send you a kiss and a big hug. I miss you lots. Blessings at home and be safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.